I have just created a solution if your Wii sensor bar is broken or you can't get one, stole the Wii, you don't have one. It's a pretty weird method. Um, Turn on my Wii. Okay. TV is on. Turn on the Wii controller. Alright. Wii controller. One light is on. Okay. I have no sensor bar. However, I have these two candles set up. It's the light. Alright. There. Got my two candles. And oh my gosh. There's a hand. With the candles. There. Go to resetting. Go over to sensor bar, sensitivity. Okay, okay. It will show the candle. But watch when I blow out the candles. Oops. No sensor bar. These candles are relit and look on the screen. Sensor bar. Now it only shows one.